Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have your workbook open. Start by picking the column to scan and a helper column for results. Enter the words or phrases you want to find in a vertical list on the sheet. Once done, decide whether you need exact matches, partial matches, or case-sensitive checks, because that choice changes the formula approach. Now select the first cell in the helper column and prepare to enter a formula that will search the main column against your target list. You will now construct the formula that checks each row against your list. For partial matches, you search inside SumProduct or COUNTIF with wildcards. This returns counts of hits so you can convert to true/false. Once done, wrap the result with IF to display a readable label like found or blank. If you need the matching text or rows, make a companion formula using index/match or filter Excel 365 to pull matched records into a results area. Make sure to lock ranges with $ where required. Finish by filling the helper formula down the column, and if you want static results, copy and paste as values. If matches look wrong, normalize both lists with trim and upper, or use exact for case-sensitive comparison so you understand why mismatches happen. Once done, convert the area to an Excel table to keep ranges dynamic. If performance suffers with large data sets, split work across helper columns or remove volatile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.